Hi friends, welcome back in the new series of recommendation system. So in this video onward, for next few videos we'll be discussing about recommendation system and its various algorithm. So basically recommendation system is nothing but it is a subclass of information filtering systems, we can say. So it basically benefits users in finding items of their interest, right? For example, Amazon, for example YouTube, all these are using recommendation system algorithm. So basically recommendation system helps item providers in delivery their item to the right users. For example, there is a product on Flipkart or on Amazon, so who is the right user of that product, right? So it basically check the similarity, it basically check the popularity, content and all these things. Or we can say it helps the websites to improve user engagement, right? So we have many types of recommendation system, like popularity based, content based recommendation system, then collaborating filtering, then we have classification model based, then we have nearest neighbor based recommendation system, then we have hybrid based, and one more that is Association rule mining, right? So all these are the algorithm are inside the recommendation system. So majorly if I sum up the definition, so we can say it is basically used to identify the product that are most relevant to users, right? Now in this video we will be discussing a basic scenario or the basic example of popularity based recommendation system. So what basically popularity based is, so you can understand it like anything which is in trend, or by the name itself it is popular, so that is popularity based recommendation system. For example, popular name, for example popular mobiles, for example popular any product you are buying on Amazon, right? Or any product you want to see on Google. So if it is popular, then we can consider that we can apply the popularity scenario, right? So we have a case study here, so let's start one by one. So again, for the most important, we are importing libraries OS, NumPy, for numeric, Python, pandas to work with the data frames. Now we are having this rating.csv, although I'll be providing the rating and the movie CSV in the description. So here we are basically finding the top rated movies, right, from many movies. So that is popularity based. So we'll be checking their ratings, right? So we are reading data in rating data, then rating data dot head. If we check this, so you can see that in the rating we have user ID, movie ID and their rating and the timestamp. Now movie names, so of course we'll be having this in movies.csv. so movie names dot head. So in the movie CSV we have again movie ID, the title and the genres, right? So genres is nothing but, I hope you can see what kind of the movie is, like adventurous, animation, children, comedy, fantasy, like that. Now movie data, so pd dot merge rating data, movie names, and we are moving this both the CSV on movie ID, because see, to merge the data we need a same column, or we can say the primary key or the super key to merge it. So now we have our we have got our new CSV, we have got our new data frame. So user ID, movie ID, rating, timestamp, title. Now movie data dot group title, rating, mean dot head. So we are grouping it, right, on the basis of title, and we are checking the mean of the rating. So here you can see if title is 71, so this is a movie in 2014 and the rating is 4.0. Similarly Hellboy, the rating is 4. Similarly we have Round Midnight 3.5, right, and this one 5 and this one 4. Now movie data dot group by title, rating dot mean, short values ascending equals to false. So here we are getting it is in descending order, right? So we have Carlson written, so it has a rating of 5, and as we are using in descending order, so 5 5 5 5 you can see now. Now movie data dot group by title, rating dot count, short values in descending order, and head. So now we are getting the title and the rating counts, right? And it is rated the 329 times, and for example, if it is Matrix, the 1999, so it is rated 278 times. Now rating mean count equals to pd dot data frame movie data group by title, rating, and then we are doing it mean, so it will be storing in rating mean count, right? So if we check the mean count, now what we are doing is rating mean count of rating counts equals to pd dot data frame movie data group by title, rating dot count. So if we check this, so we are getting rating mean count dot head. So here you can see that now we have merged this into one data frame, and we have done the group by on title and rating. So here you can see that 71 has 4.0 and the rating count is 1. So here we got our rating counts, right? And how we got that? From the movie data, we are grouping title and rating on their counts. So 71, the rating count is 1. Hellboy, the Seeds of Creation 2004, rating is 4.0 and the rating count is 1. So and so on so forth, right? So hope you get it. Like popularity based is nothing but we simply apply the pd or the pandas in our data frame, and we can easily get it. But yeah, of course, next when we'll be reading the content based and collaborating filtering, so there we need some specific technique to check that. But yes, again, popularity based is again simple. Here we had a clear data, so it was not too much difficult to get the popularity based. So this is the basic idea of the popularity based recommendation system. I hope it helped you a lot. But when we will be coming with next videos, so the complexity will be a bit higher, right? So let's meet in the next video. Till then, all the best, have a good time.